When I need a slam dunk appetizer, I make these super easy jalapeno poppers, which fly off the plate.
People go crazy for these.
They are so good. First things first, you'll slice each pepper in half and scoop out the seeds and white membrane, so you'll have room for a cheesy filling. Jalapenos can vary a lot in size. While this recipe works with any size, smaller peppers are ideal, so keep an eye out for those at the store. The filling is so simple. Softened cream cheese, a generous handful of thinly sliced green onions, and 1 small garlic clove, which I grate with my fine grater. Add a bit of salt and pepper, and you are good to go. Give your filling a really good mix, and then it's time to fill the pepper halves. I add as much as I can to each pepper, then we can wrap them with bacon. You want the bacon to cover most of the cream cheese, but only want to wrap the bacon in one layer. That way it crisps nicely in the oven. Now bake these guys on a rack in a 375-degree F oven until they are crisp and golden. These are seriously so good. See you next time.